With a tarp and a couple other pretty useful Amazon purchases, we are going to turn today's truck camping mission into luxury truck camping. I already put the tarp up, so we got our basically a wall divider, kind of making it feel more homey. And then next we have to blow up some of our furniture, and then we'll get into the other stuff that we have. We have a lot of stuff going on in today's video. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support lately. Skye and I are still on our trip. We're up in New York still, upstate New York, not like New York City. We're in the woods. There's some ponds over there that I really want to fish. We have a good dinner coming up. We got a fire ring over there, so we can have a little campfire, and so many things to look forward to tonight, and I think Skye and I both need it. We just need some relaxation time, and that's exactly what we're going to do today, but after we kind of set up camp a little bit. So come along with. One thing done, got a couple other things to do, and we'll go from there. Welcome to luxury truck camping. Not bad. That's not too shabby, folks. Kind of give you guys, I guess, a view, but this is the truck right here. Tailgate, yada, 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 chairs, tarp. We do have the hammock up. I might take that down. I just used it to take a quick nap earlier because I've been up since like 5, so I really just needed a quick nap. Don't really need it anymore. Might take it down, might not. Maybe I'll lounge in it. But yeah, we have a couple other things I really want to set up. But honestly, I think that's everything else is going to be pretty lickety-split, quick to set up. So I'm just going to clean up my massive truck camper right now, get everything a little bit organized in my life, and then cook some dinner and also feed Skye some dinner. So next up, after I clean, which I won't bring you guys along with for that headache, we're going to make some dinner. Ooh. We have orange chicken bowl. Basically, it was supposed to be an orange chicken bowl. I just don't have any clean bowls, so now it's an orange chicken plate with a bunch of vegetables, and it's gonna be delicious. There's a cup holder. Doesn't fit my drink though. Sweet and sour sauce, drizzle some of that on the rice as well. Oh, folks. This is such a simple dish. Oh wow, that's a lot. Simple, yet effective. And that's what you like to do when you're camping. I'm so excited. Yeah. That's all I needed right there. Nothing crazy. That's perfect. First meal of the day is this beaut. I'm okay with that. I just checked Google Maps and the pond doesn't look that far away, so I'm gonna bring Skye. We're gonna go see if we can crank a fish for a little bit, come back before the sun goes down so we can get everything situated. Does that sound like a good game plan? Does that sound like a good game plan? Yeah? Come on, Skye. No swimming. I got a fish. Skye, look what it is. It's a largemouth bass. Look. Skye's behaving so well right now, not going in the pond, so I think I might have to let her swim tomorrow. Not a giant, but it's a fish. No. Skye, let him go. Let him go. Let him be free, okay? Come here, bub. Good girl. It is so hard fishing with her and not letting her swim, but I don't want to sleep with a wet, soggy dog. She can do her thing tomorrow, though. Skye and I are exhausted right now. I don't think I've realized how far of a walk it actually was. It was pretty far. I think we just cranked out a 2-mile walk. Good girl, I know. I think I have to take her swimming tomorrow. There's no buts about it. Anyways, let's set up the part that I'm most excited about for this luxury truck camping. I've always wanted one of these since I was a little kid. It's a portable projector screen. And we're not just, you know, staring at a white screen. Give me a second. I'm gonna take this cord, plug it into my SD card reader, and then this goes into this compartment, like so. Comes with a little tripod so you can stand it up. Okay, she's cleaned up a little bit. This is the tour. This is our lounging chair. So you can lay down. Cup holder, didn't fit my drink, but it's okay. Something to put your feet on. The projector, projector, and our home for the night. The truck camper, of course. And then we got our little shield to kind of protect us because there is a walking path over there and a couple people went by on bikes. So threw that up right away.
First up is a 1987 Mazda.
This is unreal. This is unreal. Look at Bubba. We don't need to spend all this money on a hotel. Nothing. You and I, we got luxury right here.
Flying
The sun is going down quite fast, and I think we should just have a little bit of a fire tonight. Skye's not even following me. She's so done. She's so tired. That hike, I think, got us both. But there's a massive pile of wood over here, so free wood. I'm taking it. Look how sweet this thing is. Oh, yeah.
I don't know what happened. It's not that I don't like it. It's not a biscuit. It's not a biscuit. It's really good.
That was much needed. I just enjoyed myself probably a little bit too much. I just sat there, watched YouTube, hung out, and it was honestly perfect. Like that was really fun. I loved that. We had a pond all to ourselves, firewood, everything. It's gone pretty well. It's about 10 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna hit the hay. I might wake up early and bass fish. I would love to catch more fish over there. I think that would just complete this entire endeavor. It's too late for me to be using big words. Oh, my light source. So I can't find my lamp, so I'm using my laptop right now, so you guys can see me, but I'm gonna hit the hay. I love you guys. I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. Rise and shine. I decided this morning to just wake up and kind of clean up camp, and it actually didn't take me that long. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer than it did, so super happy about that. We got everything cleaned up. Tarps in there, seats in there, Skye stuff's in there, fishing stuff's in there. And then I had some spare time and decided, why don't I rig up my stuff for fishing now? So I rigged up everything I needed to go fishing, and now here we are. I'm gonna drive to the pond this morning because I think I'd be fine walking to the pond this morning. I know I would be, But Skye was definitely hit a brick wall yesterday, and you know, you gotta be careful because I don't want to, you know, she's already struggling with lymphoma, so we don't want to make anything worse. But she's been eating and drinking, and she had some bathroom issues the first couple of days on the trip, and now she's been amazing the last, like, whatever days on the trip. So just wanted to keep you guys updated on that. Skye's doing amazing right now, at least this trip. All right, quick little drive this morning. I'll roll down the windows for you. Hi, pretty. Come on. I was actually told last night, texting the property owner of this hill farm place, and he said if I keep walking down this path, we caught a fish right there yesterday, if we keep going, it doesn't show on maps because it's all wooded, but there's another pond back there, and he said he's heard people catching some good fish back there, so I think we have an opportunity to really figure out a nice bite this morning, but I don't want to I don't want to get too excited, you know what I'm saying? But I would really like to see what's back there, so I think we're gonna start there first. Okay, he said literally just continue straight, so I'm gonna go this way. No idea where I am, but it's all about that adventure, baby. Oh, was that a squirrel? Are you gonna get him? Are you gonna get the squirrel? Come on, baby. He's already up there. I promise you aren't getting him. Well, didn't expect to walk another mile today, but here we are. Yeah, we're not even close. I'm gonna turn around. We've been walking for far too long with no sign of another pond. And I followed those directions pretty much to the T, so I don't know. Accidentally just probably walked a mile and a half. Accidentally. The things you do for fish. There you go. I think that's a big fish. And I'm stuck on this birdhouse. It is not a big fish. It's not a big fish. Oh, Skye, what is that? It's a decent one. It's definitely decent. Oh, okay, Skye saw an opportunity and was like, oh, you know, that fish can swim. I can swim, right? Not bad, though. I mean, shoot, that's probably about a 2-pounder. Skye, I know. You'll be swimming with the fishy soon. I think I'll let you swim probably on the other side, but this is too muggy. You're gonna have all the debris and dirt on you, and it's gonna be nasty. If I can make this like perfect cast straight down this bank, we're gonna get a bite. Oh, no, it was okay. It was decent. Oh my god, he came off. That was just fishing 101. Of course he hit the topwater frog right there. Oh my god. No. Oh, he missed it again. Come on, go. Skye, come in. Go in. Go in. Yeah, I know. Yeah, does that feel good, Bob? Oh man, I've never met a dog that likes to swim as much as her. Hey, get out of the weeds. Yeah, you have weeds stuck to you. Hi, baby. Is that what you wanted? Little wet, soggy dog. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you want me to come back to this location, please let me know, because I'm so tempted to come back. I just hate filming and camping and fishing at the same spot. I don't want to be repetitive, but I feel like there's so much more to explore. This place is huge, like massive. There's apparently, it's a BMX off-roading trail, and I could see like a bunch of bike obstacles, and I don't know, it just looked really cool. And I would actually like to attempt to find that other pond again, because we failed. And I missed so many fish today that I kind of want to come back and actually catch some more fish. We caught 2 fish, that's it, which is kind of crazy to me, considering how many hours we just put in. I mean, I just fished for 3 hours and missed every single one except for one, so definitely a bummer, but I really want to come back. New York, upstate New York, has been unreal to me. I actually didn't expect this trip to go as well as it has. Like, legitimately one of my favorite trips I've ever taken. Truck camping trips, probably ever. Are you rolling around? Hi, good morning, good afternoon, I don't even know anymore. Anyways, Skye has a appointment. I can't say chemo appointment anymore since that's not a thing, but anymore it's not a thing at least. And yeah, she has an appointment, so we gotta head back. It's in 2 days, but I think she needs a day and a half to kind of relax before going to the vets, because you know, it's not like that's her favorite thing to do. But yeah, wow, this video was awesome. I had so much fun. This was just like one of the most perfect camping nights I've had ever, and it felt really good to decompress, but also like in the coolest way possible, you know? I recommend luxury truck camping. Pretty fun. But yeah, I'm gonna end off the video here. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. If you want to support the channel and use any of the baits we just used, code Becca at GooganSquad.com. Save yourself 10% off at checkout. Code Becca, you know, it's my name. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. I'll get you beautiful people on the next one.